Unboxing. Unboxing. A and A mail. Well, I can't say it's not well wrapped either. So we have Tan Me Up powder, crystalline, dash of pink, which is a core powder, and Peach Babes core powder. So there's one. Posh pink. I don't know why the camera's not picking it up. There we go. That'll be the tub of glitter. Fairy Teams Special Mix. And we have crystalline, which will be the clear. We have primer, acid free. Oh. We have another one just saying we appreciate your business. 10% off the next order. And we have Tan Me Up core powder. We have Caterpillar green. Dash of pink. We have some hema free monomer. And we have dehydrator. I'm just making sure I've not missed anything. There's another one. Peach Babes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 core powders. One of them's a clear. A glitter, dehydrator, primer and monomer. All for £29.99.